The first time he landed on my shoulder, I was really shocked.
Nailed it.
To see him recognize and come over to me was really cute. I was just out walking my dog and I saw some big crows. One of them grabbed Squeaker and was flying off with him. They dropped him, so I ran over. I just picked him up and carried him. He didn't look very good when I found him. Seeing his condition, I really didn't think he would make it. It was like, okay, I'm taking this guy home and I'll do whatever I can to help him. I just found a little box and made him his little home there for a while. The first couple days, he was pretty quiet. He just stayed in his little box. His wings were not working very well. He wasn't trying to fly. It was about after having him for a week that he started to take little flights.
Look at you. Good job. He flew even higher.
He seemed like he would be okay to leave outside overnight, so I put him in this tree behind me. I knew he'd be safe there, but I did feel like he may fly off, so I was a bit worried it would be the last time I saw him.
My baby's gonna spend the night in his tree, but it's been a good ride, hey Squeaker? Hi!
It was definitely a pleasant surprise the next morning when I heard him chirping in the backyard. And it was really nice to see that we had created a bond and that he felt that way too, that he feels comfortable here and that he knows that I'm here to help him. It's been a week now of him being, just like out free in the backyard. Every day he will fly over and land on the shoulder. Sometimes he lands on my head too.
Okay, that's not the right spot for you, pal.
We have a little sunroom attached, and even if I just step into the sunroom, he starts chirping and he shows up right by the window. To have him constantly find me wherever I am is really, it's really heartwarming. Basically, anytime I'm outside, he's right by me. He is hopping behind me in the backyard. So if I'm digging for worms, he usually stands right on my foot and then stands there and watches as I dig for worms.
Squeaker learns to find worms. Hey?
He's starting to eat on his own. He's doing it all on his own now, really.
Good job.
He's taught me a lot of things, really. He's taught me strength and perseverance. I've had to learn some patience with him, which is good for me. I'm leaving it up to him, definitely, but I'm sure in the next week or so, he probably will be spreading his wings even further. It makes me really happy to see that, and happy I got to be a part of it. I'll definitely be sad to see him go, and I know every time I see a robin, I'll probably look and be like, is that Squeaker? I do hope he'll come back and check in or drop by for a visit every once in a while.
Oh my god, you guys, I just found Squeaker! This robin flew near me in a tree, so I was squeaking at it and chirping, and then it flew and like dive bombed right above my head and landed right in the tree above me, and he sat there and we like chirped back and forth, and then he took off and did a big flight right back to my house. Ah, he's okay! Oh my god, I'm so excited, I'm gonna cry. He's back out for living where his family was, like where I found him. And when he landed there, he popped up his cute little speckled chest and he was like so proud.